Chairman of Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 Martyrs and Freedom Fighters of Kangleipak, Manipur, Joy Chandra Konthozam has cautioned that the MLAs of Manipur Legislative Assembly should be held accountable for occurrence of any untoward incidents during the imposition of presence rule in the state. He was speaking at the inaugural function of the Input Distribution Program of Urea, Black Gram and Rhizobium cum Farmers Training Program at Khangshim Village under Machi Block in Tengnopal District. The training program was jointly organized by Agriculture Department and MOI EAM Organic FPC Limited. Speaking further, Joy attributed the imposition of presence rule in Manipur to the centre taking undue advantage of the power tussle between the MLAs who allegedly betray their motherland and work on their vested interests. He also asked the state legislature to be cautious of the detrimental effect of controlling the state by outsiders. Emphasizing on the training program, the Justice Committee chairman stressed on the importance of fostering work culture and making the state self-reliant.
PR lengak che kari degi la ino haiba matamda akhoi iramdam sigi miyamna vote piraga ka khiba mihut sing aduna pawar munarakpa ningthaugi pham munarakpa mana tawriba marana gi wakalon de yumpham oibadegi ngasi center government na khudong chaba lawraga PR thamakpane PR na akhoi mangta le je khangabane ba akhoi gi mihut sing asina masi khangdri se kari gi no ba India gi ngasi divide and rule policy na Manipur da machet akhoi community mayam nungsi jana na le bse thugai na bo hon bse mati khudak ta masi lep ka dabne ba haibadi akhoi gi mihut oriba sing na madu khangna chapi ga damni kari gumba PR lengak na maram oraga iram dam se kam kung saiba taragadi mazu gi daita khuding ma akhoi gi miyang gi mihut oriba MLA sing na pu ga damne ba